Hey guys, before we get started, I just want to let you know that this design is available in Redbubble. The link will be in the description and I will show you a quick preview right at the end here. So let's get started. So today we're doing a mashup between Squidward and Frieza. And I know that I did do one mashup before with these two characters. But to be honest with you guys, I wasn't as satisfied with the job that I did. And since I was planning to have this be part of t-shirts and things like that, I wanted to attempt a different type of design where I put in a lot more detail and tried to really flesh out the character. So I'm here trying to figure out, okay, how can I make Friezward more menacing than what I did last time? And if you do want to check out the other video, it is on my profile, so if you want to check that out, you can. So in this one, when it comes to the face, what I wanted to do was really add some more lines that would essentially make the character more menacing. Like if you can see right underneath the eyes there, you're gonna see a lot more lines, and in the face in general. And I also decided to really try to buff them up as much as I could. So that's why you're seeing that I'm pretty much disregarding the current stature of Squidward and really trying to mirror some of the Frieza, what would you say, body that we're seeing there. And it's actually quite a bit more massive than what we're seeing for Frieza. So as you can see here, his head looks a little bit small, and I'm going to be adjusting that there in a second. And as I kept on drawing this, for whatever reason, I kept on thinking of the Ninja Turtles. I really don't know why. But yeah, so here I'm just finishing trying to flesh out the body. And to be honest with you, it kind of looks like crap now, but it does get a lot better towards the end. And I do end up creating something that, I think that it came out pretty well. So what I'll do is I'll let this kind of play out, and I'll catch you guys later right at the end here. So right here for the coloring, you really see me struggle a bit trying to figure out, okay, so am I gonna stick with the gold and purple with the Super Frieza, or am I going to, Golden Frieza, or am I going to try to change it up a bit? And to be honest with you guys, I ended up, as you can see here, settling on using the blue from Squidward. I felt like the purple really, once I added the purple, I kind of lost Squidward. So I felt that if we kept the gold from Golden Frieza and the blue from Squidward, we'd have a good mashup here. Alright, so here we have the end result. Friezward. I hope that you guys enjoyed the process, and yeah, I hope you guys like the design. So as promised, here's the Friezward design on Redbubble, and as you can see, there are many items for you to purchase if you so choose to do so. There's masks, stickers, t-shirts, etc. So if you do decide to support this channel by purchasing one of these items, thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.